Hello everyone. In today's video I am going to show you can you use a blink camera without subscription? Let's see in the video. As you can see I am on the official website of Reddit where the people provide their opinion regarding this. People says that no, you have to have the sync module with a maximum 256 GB flash drive. This enable local storage. You pay a subscription fee for cloud storage of $3 per device. It works without the fees. But live watching kills recording. Clips take a second longer to load and no people detection features. Another people say that I bought the system long before there was a subscription and I can still see recordings from my outdoor camera and they are saved. I do not have a USB installed, but as for my indoor camera, it only alert me of movement and does not take a video. I only have access for live view with that camera. Another people says that mine works fine without a subscription also. I have a USB 2.0. I do have Prime. I don't know if that make any difference. I can name the cameras, get a live view and have about a 2-second delay getting a notification that a camera is triggered. As you can see, people provide their opinion about this. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.